This is part 3, or the final video of putting this little exhaust pipe on. You can see I went to 4 auto parts stores, believe it or not, to find 2-inch clamps. Right down here you can see this is where the end of it is. Clamp there I put on, that's the old clamp. And in here, this is the area where this part here goes in there over that sleeve, you can see. So I put a 2-inch clamp on each side of the hanger so I can tighten it down. And there's the hanger in there, new hanger. So everything seems to work out this time. And now I have an exhaust pipe. I'm probably going to trim it there. So that's today's work. I also painted my van with the roller again and put the stripe on it. Looks kind of cool. You can see. Anyway, that's it, and the seats are in it now. And it's really come quite a bit, quite a long ways. Alright, well, I also rewired everything, and I'm going to finish the wiring video in a little while. Alright, take care everybody.